Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Two new mouses from Be Quiet, Dark Perk Ergo and Dark Perk Sym. Let's start with the Ergo. We have the manual. Wow, I like the cable. Braided 1.8 meters cable. USB-A to Type-C. And with the adapter. Type-C to Type-A. And of course the receiver. 2.4 GHz RF wireless connectivity. Or you can use the USB cable. I like the color orange. .3M stickers. Pre-installed we have the two stickers and another one here at the middle. So you have a replacement. It's super lightweight at only 55 grams, making it the ideal extension of your hand. Thanks to its symmetrical shape, the Dark Perk is easy to grip and therefore suits all grip styles. Ideal for games that require smooth movement, precise aiming and versatile control. No need to replace AA batteries, the built-in battery lasts about 110 hours at 1000 Hz polling rate or 1 ms response time. You can use the Dark Perk with a braided 1.8 meters cable. There's the Type-C connection. It has this angle, I like that. Up. Nice. And you can plug it in. We can see here we have one indicator. Right now it's charging. It's flashing white. Or if you want, you can use that cable. Connect the cable at your PC or laptop. Type-C, use this adapter and connect this dongle here. Or you can connect the dongle directly at your PC or laptop. Just love it. So many options. Buttons. Of course we have the left, right, very smooth, I like it. The super fast optical Omron switches for the left and right mouse buttons can be programmed to 5 different functions, allowing you to customize them exactly to your needs. I will show you later using the I/O sender from Be Quiet. The scroll. Very smooth. I like it. And you can press it. The backward and forward button. It fits perfect to my hand. At the bottom, I like these holes. Great design. Ergo Dark Perk from Be Quiet. The PixArt mouse sensors is one of the best in the world with a resolution of up to 32,000 dpi. It can be fine-tuned to incredible levels, providing solid and smooth tracking. Plus it has a polling rate of up to 8000 Hz in both wireless and wired modes. We have the main switch here, so you can turn it on, green light, ready to connect. There is also a switch at the bottom that cycles between 5 customizable DPI levels. And by pressing, after I will connect it of course at my PC, I will show you 5 levels, 400, 800, 1200, 2000 and 30,000 DPI. Now let's take a look at the Sym. There's the mouse. And we have the same accessories. Manual, replacement sticker, the dongle, adapter, braided cable 1.8 meters, Type A to Type C with an angle. I like the color again, orange. Same buttons. One switch here, on off, for the DPI. Sym dark perk, be quiet. I like these holes. So, there you have the two new mouses from Be Quiet. The dark Perk Sym is slightly larger than the dark Perk Ergo. It has a different design. We can see that at the buttons. I think the Sym, it fits perfect to my hand. If you ask me, I prefer more the Sym. Because it is larger, I have larger hands. Yes, correct. Different design here at the buttons. Thanks to its symmetrical shape, the dark Sym is easy to grip and use in the buttons. Same click. Quality is the same. So it is your choice which one you want. Same specs. But I love both. The on-off switch, indicator in here, so let me know down below in the comments after the end of this video which one is a favorite for you, which one you will choose. And with a Be Quiet, I/O sender makes managing your peripherals easier than ever. Let me show you how it works. Both mouses are connected, the Sym and the Ergo, with a cable. Keyboard from Be Quiet, amazing keyboard. You can check that video right in the corner after the end of this video or down below in the description. Playlist Be Quiet. We have the Ergo and the Sym. Plug it in with a cable, unplug, and now it's working only with a dongle. But you can see the settings at the I/O sender. So you need to plug in again the cable and you can check and for firmware update. You can do a remap, choose the button you want, very easy. Mouse, default, standard key, select a key. Very easy to scroll, very smooth, I like it. Or special. F keys, it is your choice. Or media. Mouse again. You can choose for each button. Single click, double click, while pressed, auto fire, click per second, and you can adjust. Windows shortcut, you can choose. Profile, new profile, previous or select profile. Macro, or you can disable this button. Mouse. Key binding disable enable. You can go at macros, add, for keyboard, mouse or keyboard and mouse. Mouse. No delay, custom, you can adjust the MS. So press release, disable enable, and you can start. Stop recording, hold, repeat, go to remap again. You can add another one, delete. So easy. You can choose the profile, active it says here, all the time you can see in the battery percentage. DPI levels, and here you can disable, enable, and you can adjust for each level from 100 to 30,000 DPI. White light, activate, it says here the level 4, and of course with a button, so easy. Level 5, different color, blue level 1, green level 2, orange level 3, purple level 4, and white the level 5. 4 it is okay. And of course you can disable, enable. You can reset, settings, check for firmware updates, USB polling rate from 125 to 8000 Hz, power saving mode, disable, enable, some informations, sensor, the sensitivity you can adjust from 1, wow, very hard, to 20. 9. Lift off distance. Adjust how high the mouse can be lifted before the sensor stops tracking movement. Nice! From low, medium to high. Angle snapping, disable, enable, help smooth out your mouse movement into straight lines. Ripple control, motion sync, disable, enable. Buttons, click speed from 1 to 11. Button response time from 2 to 12 ms. The battery, soft sleep, you can adjust, only 1 minute. Deep sleep, from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. And you can reset. So many settings. I like when a product gives you so many settings to adjust to your needs. And again, select a key. How convenient is that? Just love it. And reset. And here you can go at profile and add another profile. I really like how comfortable they feel during long gaming sessions and how responsive the sensor is without unnecessary noise. It's a great choice for both gaming and productivity setups. If you've already spent time picking out the quietest fans and coolers, it only makes sense to silence your clicks too. Both the symmetrical and ergonomic versions offer the incredible Be Quiet build quality. They are tactile enough for gaming, but quiet enough for a serried office or a late night editing session. It's a sophisticated, grown-up mouse that proves you don't need a loud click-clack to be precise. Whether you prefer a symmetrical design or an ergonomic shape, both models deliver smooth tracking, premium build quality, and true to the name, impressively quiet clicks. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more PC gear reviews, gaming accessories, and setup upgrades. So which one you will pick, Dark Perk Sym or Dark Perk Ergo? Let me know your preference and grip style in the comments. If you're ready to finally achieve total silence at your desk, I've put the links to both the Sym and Ergo models in the description below. Thanks for watching, enjoy the silence, and I'll see you in the next one.